Incident response is broken. When production goes down, engineers spend hours manually hunting through logs, writing fixes, and filing tickets, all while users suffer. ElasticSeer comes to fix that. It's an autonomous multi-agent platform built on Elastic Agent Builder that handles the entire lifetime of incident cycles, from anomaly detection to code fixes, all done in 30 seconds or less. By leveraging ESQL queries through the Agent Builder MCP server and Elastic workflows, we don't just monitor, we actually act. Let me show you now. This is our command center. We're pulling real-time data from ElasticSearch. We'll run it on anomalies into the untracked incidents. You can see our connected systems such as GitHub, Slack, and Jira are all actually live and working. Our Observe engine is running in the background, continuously monitoring the result. Let's start. Here we come to the main agentic interface to interact with our ElasticSeer agent. As you can see here, you can see what the variety of functionalities ElasticSeer can do. And let's begin by doing something with observability and cross-surface detection that is a feature of ElasticSeer. I'll ask the ElasticSeer agent to analyze the database service metrics for the last 24 hours and let's see what it does. And there you go. You can see an executive summary of the database service metrics from the last 24 hours, and you can see that it's all real time, and then you can see some recommendations, detections, and a variety of insights given by the agent. Now let's investigate an incident workflow. I'll put this quick prompt asking it to show the recent incidents and check for any 7 critical issues. And there you go. It listed all the 7 critical incidents that we had. It seems like we have a lot of 7 critical incidents. And here you can see the critical database, some of the coding, and also the tickets it's given. If you'd like to understand more on how it does this, you can also quickly read the trace to understand what it did, the entire process that occurred through the entire workflow incident. And for this, we're querying the incident history index in our database in ElasticSearch, and the agent identifies the critical issues and correlates them together with the metrics that we just saw. Now that we saw all that, let's actually go to the big moment, which is autonomous workflow. Watch this. Through this one prompt, we can have the agent trigger an entire Elastic workflow. Now, let's click it and see what it does. So here, the agent is registering the incident in our ES system, and so what it's doing is that it's searching through the index codebase for the bug that occurred. And along with that, what it does next is it generates an AI fix, and through this, it actually creates a GitHub PR, it alerts the team through Slack, and also creates a Jira ticket so the team can work on it throughout the day. What usually takes the SRE team 2 hours and 3 hours just happened in 30 seconds through using ElasticSeer. There you go. It's been quickly generated. Now we can even validate this by clicking for example, we can click the GitHub pull PR request and we can view it on GitHub, and you can see that it just happened now. And there's some information on it, and you can have CodeRabbit giving some analysis for the enterprise feel of this. And this here shows the Slack alert that was sent for this autonomous fix. Users in the team can also interact with the ElasticSeer agent by just tagging ElasticSeer and asking, for example, and we just have to wait, and we see the ElasticSeer has replied with information on it. That is the Slack integration. Now let's look at the Jira ticket flow. Here you can see the auth service failure with the Jira ticket that was raised by our agent, our ElasticSeer agent autonomously. And you can click it and see more of the information. On top of all of this, if you want to see the incidents and look at it from a real-world perspective, you can even click this and actually view the incident in an incident dashboard in real time. And you can see the different incidents that were logged and even the active and resolved incidents over time. You can also actually use the Observe engine to actually validate and look through the workflow and what actually the agent had interactions with you and look at the workflow that were triggered. Or here you can see the activity log that actually happened right now, the critical database issue and the auth issue, and the different fixes that occurred. Built with Elastic Agent Builder, ESQL, and workflows, ElasticSeer was only made possible because of ElasticSearch and its robust data storage, vector search, and data monitoring capabilities. Thanks for listening.